Since the war's escalation in September 2022, Russia has unleashed a relentless swarm of Iranian-made Shahed-136 and Shahed-131 Kamikaze drones against Ukrainian targets. These unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, also known as suicide drones, have become a hallmark of the conflict, raising concerns about their effectiveness and the potential for a significant escalation in drone warfare. The Shahed drones offer a sinister combination of affordability and lethality. Cost estimates range from a mere $20,000 to $40,000 per drone, a fraction of the price tag associated with traditional missiles or fighter jets. This low cost allows Russia to launch relentless attacks, potentially overwhelming Ukrainian air defenses and causing significant damage to infrastructure and military assets. Despite their unassuming appearance, often nicknamed lawnmowers due to their engine noise, Shahed drones pack a punch. Both variants carry explosive payloads, capable of inflicting significant damage upon impact. The Shahed-136 boasts a longer range of over 1,000 kilometers, while the Shahed-131 offers a still impressive 900 kilometers. This allows Russia to strike targets deep within Ukrainian territory, further straining the nation's defensive capabilities. The Shahed drones are not invincible. Their slow speed makes them vulnerable to air defense systems, and Ukraine has managed to shoot down a significant number of these UAVs. Their reliance on GPS navigation creates potential jamming vulnerabilities. Military experts anticipate advancements in Ukrainian counter-drone technology to further hinder the effectiveness of these weapons. Russia appears intent on doubling down on its Shahed drone strategy. In March 2024, footage emerged of a factory in Yelabuga, Russia, dedicated to the production of Shahed drones, potentially rebranded under the name Jaran. This domestic production capacity signifies Russia's long-term commitment to drone warfare and raises concerns about a potential surge in attacks. Experts estimate the factory could produce a staggering 6,000 drones annually by 2025. The widespread use of Shahed drones in Ukraine has broader implications beyond the immediate conflict. It highlights the growing lethality and affordability of drone technology, potentially lowering the barrier for entry for other countries or non-state actors engaged in warfare. The Ukraine war serves as a stark reminder of the transformative power of drone technology. The Shahed drones, while not the most sophisticated weapons, demonstrate the potential for low-cost, long-range UAVs to inflict significant damage. The international community will need to grapple with the ethical and strategic implications of this new era of aerial warfare, potentially leading to new regulations and counter-drone measures.